L3 Harris Technologies has announced the signing of a major defense contract with the Canadian Commercial Corporation for the delivery of 16 state-of-the-art WESCAM MX-20 electro-optical/infrared EO/IR systems. In a press release dated May 26, 2025, the U.S.-based aerospace and defense technology firm confirmed that these high-performance sensors will be integrated into the Royal Canadian Air Force's newly acquired P-8A Poseidon maritime patrol aircraft. This procurement marks a pivotal step in enhancing Canada's intelligence, surveillance, and reconnaissance (ISR) capabilities, especially amid evolving geopolitical dynamics and rising security challenges in the Arctic and along the country's Atlantic and Pacific maritime domains. The P-8A Poseidon, developed by Boeing and based on the commercial 737-800 next-generation airframe, is one of the most advanced maritime patrol platforms in service today. Engineered to replace the aging P-3 Orion aircraft, the Poseidon is purpose-built for anti-submarine warfare, ASW, anti-surface warfare, and broad-area maritime surveillance. The platform is equipped with powerful synthetic aperture radar, SAR, a sophisticated acoustic system for underwater threat detection, and an array of weapons, including torpedoes, Harpoon anti-ship missiles, depth charges, and sonobuoys. With its extended operational range and endurance, the P-8A provides Canada with the ability to patrol vast oceanic territories and respond to maritime threats in real time, capabilities that are essential given the nation's expansive coastline and Arctic interests. The integration of the WESCAM MX-20 sensors significantly enhances the aircraft's surveillance precision and targeting accuracy. These systems, designed for long-range, high-altitude ISR missions, combine electro-optical and infrared cameras, high-definition video, laser rangefinders, and auto-tracking features to produce stabilized, high-resolution imagery. The MX-20 is capable of operating in diverse and challenging environments, day or night, and its data can be seamlessly integrated into the Poseidon's onboard mission systems. This fusion allows aircrews to locate, identify, and track potential threats with exceptional precision, even in extreme weather or low-visibility conditions, making it ideal for operations across the harsh environments of the Arctic and the vast maritime approaches surrounding Canada. This latest acquisition also represents a significant milestone for L3 Harris Technologies, as it includes the delivery of the 8,000th WESCAM MX series unit, a testament to the global trust and demand for this proven surveillance technology. The MX series is currently deployed in more than 87 countries and integrated into over 260 different platforms, ranging from manned fixed-wing aircraft and helicopters to medium-altitude long-endurance, mail, drones, and ground vehicles. The new contract follows Canada's 2024 order for 11 MX-20 sensors for the MQ-9B Skyguardian unmanned aerial system, signaling the country's broader strategy to unify its ISR assets across multiple platforms with interoperable, NATO-standard equipment. The Canadian P-8A Poseidon fleet, now being equipped with these next-generation sensors, will serve as a critical pillar in securing Canada's Arctic territory. With climate change accelerating the melting of sea ice, previously inaccessible northern routes are becoming increasingly navigable, inviting both economic opportunities and strategic risks. These aircraft will support Canada's sovereignty claims by monitoring surface vessel activity, tracking potential submarine incursions, and conducting long-range reconnaissance missions in areas with limited ground-based infrastructure. Additionally, the Poseidons will play a vital role in search and rescue operations, enforcement against illegal fishing, environmental monitoring, and protection of key coastal infrastructure. Outside the Arctic, the upgraded fleet is expected to bolster surveillance efforts along Canada's Atlantic seaboard, especially amid heightened Russian naval operations in the North Atlantic. In the Pacific, the P-8A will be a vital tool in monitoring maritime traffic and potential incursions as regional tensions grow with China's increased naval activity and military assertiveness. Canada's enhanced ISR capability allows for timely detection and response to these strategic developments, as well as robust support to NATO and allied operations. Whether monitoring submarine movements or supporting multinational maritime task forces, the Poseidons will ensure Canada remains an active and capable contributor to global security. The procurement of these advanced systems is part of a broader modernization initiative by the Canadian Armed Forces. The objective is to develop a fully integrated ISR architecture that supports both domestic defense and international commitments. Strategic partnerships, such as the one with L3Harris Technologies, are central to this transformation, providing customized solutions that meet Canada's specific defense needs while ensuring alignment with allied technological standards. The deployment of WESCAM-equipped Poseidon strengthens Canada's ability to conduct complex ISR operations across multiple theaters and respond flexibly to evolving threats. This investment also underscores Canada's commitment to maintaining a credible and modern military force capable of addressing 21st-century challenges. As the international security environment grows increasingly volatile, marked by competition for Arctic resources, global naval power shifts, and emerging threats in maritime domains, Canada is ensuring that its surveillance and defense systems remain cutting-edge and fully interoperable with those of its allies. By embracing these technologies, Canada is not only enhancing its national security but also contributing meaningfully to regional and global stability. In conclusion, the acquisition of 16 WESCAM MX-20 EO/IR systems for the Royal Canadian Air Force's P-8A Poseidon aircraft marks a significant leap forward in the nation's defense and surveillance capabilities. It reflects a proactive response to emerging strategic challenges, a reaffirmation of Canada's sovereignty in its northern territories, and a clear signal of its commitment to modernizing its defense posture. With their advanced ISR capabilities, the upgraded Poseidons will be at the forefront of Canada's efforts to safeguard its maritime borders and contribute to collective defense initiatives in an increasingly contested world. Thank you for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel. Hit the notification bell so you don't miss any updates. See you in the next video. Take care and stay awesome.